Alrighty, guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. Summary box of 11-12 Panini Contenders tonight on eBay. That was March the 3rd between the times of 9:15 and 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last few minutes, Winnipeg Jets ended at 9:44 and 44 seconds. Current eBay time is 10:27 p.m. Also on the 3rd here, so we're about just over 40 minutes after the last auction ended. I'm gonna do the break right now, get it all ready, upload to YouTube, and as soon as all the teams are paid for, if I can, I'll release it on my website tonight. If I can't, I'll go tomorrow morning, probably, hopefully. Alright, guys, have a good one. Alright, what am I saying? Have a good one. It's like I'm doing it when I'm at the end of the video. Brains fried, guys. It's the end of the day. 181-101-357. Just remember the 357 here. I'm a tired guy today. Alright, trying to open up the webcam slowly but surely. For some reason, my computer's got a little bit of a lag itself. Some people in the live show will attest to that. 181-101-357. There you go. There's, of course, a seal box. Oh, Contenders. I'm just getting the odd box shipped to me right now, so hopefully we can get ourselves some booklet actions, and NHL Link duels and triples a little more frequently. We had a duel the other day. I've had a booklet for a little while, though. I've not had a booklet for a little while. We are due. We are due. Alright, guys. Good luck on Contenders. Oh, we might actually have one. There's something thick in there. We'll see. I'll leave it for last minute. Good luck, guys, on Contenders. Base cards do not ship. 6 to 8 hits. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Decoy, 4, 5 base. 1, 2, 3. Decoy, 4, 5 base. Oh, the sun there. 3. Color Contenders for the New York Islanders. Anders Nielsen out of 9.99 for the Isles. Nielsen for the Isles out of 9.99. First hit. The one right below this, I think, is the booklet. We're going to save that one to the end. Might not be, but I think it probably is. Yeah, that's definitely a booklet. We're going to leave that one to the very end. I think it's a booklet. I shouldn't say definitely. You never know. I've been wrong before. I should put that at the bottom here. You can pretty much pick them out of a box of Contenders, that's for sure, when they are there. The one hit so far. This other side must be loaded then. The Montreal Canadiens, Aaron Palushai, NHL Link. Palushai, NHL Link for the Habs. Hard sign auto, always nice. If I can flip this, there we go. All base. Getting our randomizer ready for a booklet. Cup Contenders for the Philadelphia Flyers. They have Brizgala, 007 out of 9.99. Who will he be with after trade deadline day? If the Oilers ship him out. I'm thinking so far, that's for sure. Should be a good booklet. Color Contenders autograph out of 800, Cam Atkinson for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Hard sign auto. Cup Contenders out of 9.99, Roberto Luongo. Roberto Luongo for the Canucks out of 9.99. Two regular packs left, and then the thick pack, which I believe is a booklet, but you never know, I've been wrong. Trying to hedge my bet there in case I am wrong. Last regular pack. Well, they're all regular packs, I guess. All right, let's see what the one that I believe is a good one holds. It is quite a bit thicker, as you can see. Look, guys, there is a booklet for sure. It's got some base cards smushed around it. It's Contenders matchups booklet. I'll put it down for a half sec. Then we'll open it together and see who it's for. If it's a matchups, it's probably gonna be randomized. Let's see if I get this focused in nice. For the Nashville Predators and the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jeffrey on, Craig Smith, Cam Atkinson, and Ryan Johansson. So let's do the random. Get over to the screen cap. There we go. Okay, so I put Columbus in twice. Alphabetical order, which means unfortunately I have to 1, 2, Nashville, 2 in a row for Nashville. Hold on. Okay, 5 times random.org, guys. Whichever team ends up on top gets the card. Good luck. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. No budging. 4. I'll count to 10 and I'll hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The winner of the booklet is Nashville. Nashville. There you go. Well, thank you guys very much for taking part in the break. Wish you guys all the best of luck in your future breaks. And again, remind you guys, I will be live on Wednesday night with some live breaks. And I will have, of course, 5 boxes on eBay Tuesday night. Good luck, everybody.